This video is about interpreting what you see. The first question, how many planes appear in the figure? There should be one plane in particular that stands out, and obviously that is the one that's drawn here, which looks like a parallelogram and is labeled plane S. But there's actually another plane. Remember that a plane is defined by three non-collinear points, which means 3 points that are not in a straight line. There's a second plane here created by points A, B, and C that is drawn as well. So there's actually 2 planes, and that's sort of standing up, and plane S is kind of standing down. So there's actually 2 planes drawn in this figure. The second question, name 3 points that are collinear. Remember, collinear means in a straight line. That should be pretty obvious. Points A, B, and D are all on a straight line. They're all on line AD. Those 3 points are collinear. So points A, B, and D. The third question, are points A, B, C, and D coplanar? Collinear means all in the same line, all in a straight line. Coplanar means all in the same plane. A plane is like if you think of a plane as a flat piece of paper, like this, plane S. The points that lie in plane S are the ones that are drawn on that piece of paper, if we think of that plane as a piece of paper. So right now I see that point B and point C are on plane S, or in plane S. That's the same thing. A appears to be above plane S, and D appears to be below plane S. This little dotted line here, this dashed portion of the line, these 2 lines, means that that's a hidden line. It's behind the plane. So this line passes through the plane. It's not drawn on it. So are all 4 of these points, A, B, C, and D, coplanar? No. Because A is above the plane and D is below the plane. So these 2 points are not on the plane. This one's above, this one's below, and this one's above, and this one is below. At what point do line DB and line CA intersect? This is question D. If we trace those 2 lines, DB starts below the plane, passes through the plane, and goes through point A. And line CA does the same thing. It's crossing through the plane. It's not on the plane. These 2 lines intersect right here at point A. So 2 lines intersect at a point.